How to find Revolut Shift BIC International Code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find Revolut Shift BIC International Code. So simply the code is basically very simple. It is Revolut Ltd BIC / Swift code details, and the Swift code details basically depends upon your location or your country from where you are operating. So if I'll give you the complete picture, so the complete and whole Swift code is basically Revo GB 2L XXX. So the GB that you see right here is stand for Great Britain, which meant to be used for the GB countries. So if you are living or operating your Revolut account from any other country, you need to find out the country code first, which is written over there in the country details section. So the bank code is of 4-letter representing the bank. Usually it looks like shortened version of the bank name. So basically, for example, Revolut stands for ROVE, Revo, and the country code stands in the 2 letters representing the countries and the bank in it. So for example, this GB stands for Great Britain, as I told you earlier. And after that comes location, which is also 2 character, made up of 2 character, and it is where your bank is, head office is. So after that you can see that this 2L stand for the headquarter of this particular bank account or the branch in the particular country. And after that we have branch code, which is of 3 digits, and this is specifically very particular about the branch from which you want the Swift code. So the XXX stand for that particular branch code only. So it depends from the country to country from where you want your Swift code to. So this depends on that. So that is basically how you will be able to find your Revolut Shift BIC International Code. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.